Gardeners have long believed that turning compost and adding air is essential for rich soil. The hot, fast, oxygen-fueled method is popular because it quickly reduces waste. But this speed comes at a cost. Valuable nutrients like nitrogen and carbon are lost as gases. We're trading soil nutrition for convenience. Is our goal just to get rid of waste, or to create the most nourishing compost for our gardens? Nature's way is slower, quieter, and happens underground, without constant intervention. In the dark, oxygen-limited world below, a different kind of composting preserves more of what plants need. Let's explore this overlooked, nutrient-saving process. Decomposition happens in two worlds, with oxygen, aerobic, and without, anaerobic. Aerobic composting is fast, hot and efficient, but it burns off nutrients. Anaerobic composting, by contrast, is slow and preserves nutrients by fermenting organic matter. This mirrors nature's forest floor, where leaves decompose gradually. The main concern with anaerobic composting is odour, but burying waste in soil eliminates this problem. The soil acts as a natural filter, preventing smells and integrating nutrients directly into the ecosystem. Aerobic compost is a finished soil conditioner. Anaerobic compost is a nutrient-rich feast for worms and microbes, fueling soil life from the ground up. It's not just an amendment. It's a direct offering to the creatures that build healthy soil. By choosing the right method, we can work with nature, not against it. Anaerobic composting is simple. Just dig a trench or hole in your garden bed. Add kitchen scraps like fruit peels, coffee grounds and eggshells. No need to fuss over perfect ratios. Avoid cooked foods, oils, meat or dairy to keep pests away. Cover the scraps with at least 15 centimeters of soil to trap odors and deter animals. Pat the soil down and you're done. You can plant directly above the buried compost, letting roots access the nutrients as they break down. For a liquid boost, ferment scraps in a sealed bucket with water for a few weeks. Dilute the resulting liquid and use it to water your plants for a direct shot of nutrients. This method feeds your soil life with minimal effort. Burying compost attracts earthworms, nature's best soil builders. Worms thrive in cool, moist, oxygen-limited soil, not in hot compost piles. They tunnel toward buried scraps, aerating soil and improving water flow as they go. Their digestion turns waste into nutrient-rich castings, perfect for plants. Anaerobic zones also support unique microbes that ferment organic matter, enriching the soil food web. This diversity helps suppress disease and supports strong plant growth. Trench composting fits perfectly with no-dig gardening, adding fertility without disturbing soil structure. You're feeding the ecosystem directly, letting worms and microbes do the heavy lifting. Healthy soil is built from below, with minimal intervention from above. Anaerobic composting isn't for everything. Avoid burying diseased plants or invasive weeds. For large volumes of waste or sanitation, hot composting is still best. Trench composting is ideal for daily kitchen scraps, working as a continuous small batch system. Both methods are tools. Use each where it fits best. By excluding oxygen in a controlled way, we preserve nutrients and feed soil life directly. The soil already balances its own oxygen levels, supporting both aerobic and anaerobic life. Trust the natural process. Worms and microbes know what to do. Extraordinary fertility comes from working with the soil, not forcing it. Let nature do the rest.